Hey everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'll walk you through how to fix focus issues and blur issues on iPhone camera with 6 proven methods to fix these frustrating camera problems and get you back to taking crisp, clear photos. First, let's start with the simplest solution, cleaning your camera lens. Gently wipe the lens with a microfiber cloth. This removes any fingerprints or smudges that might be affecting your photos. Make sure to check all camera lenses if you have multiple. Sometimes dirt on the ultra-wide or telephoto lens can cause issues. Test your camera after cleaning. You might be surprised how often this simple fix works. If cleaning didn't help, try force closing the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. This opens the app switcher on newer iPhones. If you have an iPhone with a home button, double-click it instead. Find the camera app preview and swipe up to close it completely. This clears any temporary glitches. Reopen the camera app and check if the focus works better now. If not, try restarting your entire iPhone for a fresh start. For iPhones with multiple lenses, enabling lens correction can help. Open Settings and scroll down to Camera. This contains all your photography preferences. Scroll down to find Lens Correction. This feature helps compensate for lens distortion. Make sure this option is toggled on. It can significantly improve image quality, especially on the ultra-wide lens. Software updates often include camera improvements. Go to Settings and select General. This is where you manage system updates. Tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check for available updates. If there's an update waiting, tap Download and Install. Newer iOS versions frequently include camera performance enhancements. After updating, test your camera to see if the focus issues are resolved. If problems persist, try resetting all settings. In Settings, go to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This won't erase your data, but will restore default configurations. Confirm your choice and wait for the process to complete. This often fixes stubborn software-related camera issues. Finally, inspect your iPhone for physical damage. Carefully examine all camera lenses for cracks or scratches. Even minor damage can affect photo quality. If you find any damage, contact Apple support. They can diagnose the issue and recommend repair options. For serious damage, visit an Apple store. Their technicians can replace damaged components professionally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful iPhone troubleshooting guides.